Good morning students. Today I am gonna teach 9th maths number system, continuation of the previous video. So the identities, these are some identities you should not remember, you should not forget. Remember it. Root AB is equals to root A into root B. If it is in together, multiplied together, if root AB can be written as root A into root B, and root of A by B can be written as root A by root B. Next, root A plus root B into root A minus root B is equals to A minus B. See, both the numbers are same. Let us see A and B. Here the same letter is repeated, root A and root B, but only the sign has changed, plus and minus. That time, if you get this type of while solving problem, instead of here we are writing, this is a general form A. So in the question they will be given with the numbers. So you have to think that use this form to the numbers. So you should have same numbers, and the different sign means the answer should be A minus B. For example, let me explain this with one example. If you have, instead of, let me take A as root A as root 2 and root B as root 3. Okay, example for this. So root 2 plus root 3 and root 2 minus root 3 if you have. So what will be the answer? A minus B. So A is what here? 2, only 2, not root 2 minus 3. So that will be the answer is what? Minus 1. So like this you have to use this identity in solving the problems. Next identity, root A plus root B into A minus root B is equals to A square minus B. Here A, see the letters are same, A, B. But here only for B there is a square root and the different signs. That time the answer should be in A square minus B. Next, root A plus root B whole square is equals to A plus 2 root AB plus B. So study these identities. Now let's solve some problems. 5 plus root 7, bracket means what? If you have only brackets, so that means it is multiplication. If you have like this plus, then you have to plus and all. Here no symbol is there, plus or minus. So it understood that we have to multiply here. How will you multiply these two terms with written in a bracket? You have to multiply each term to the other term. So 5 you have to multiply to 2, then again to root 5. Again root 7 you have to multiply to 2, then root 5. So let us do it. 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. Next 5 into root 5, plus symbol, no, right, plus 5 root 5. We cannot multiply this root it is, so 5 root 5. Don't multiply 5 5s are 25 like that. Okay, square root, no, so 5 root 5. Next plus root 7 into 2, so 2 root 7. Next plus root 7 into root 5, root 7 into root 5. Okay, next 10, 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7. Here root 7, this we can multiply, this we cannot multiply. One is in the square root, one is without the square root. 2 and root 7, 7 2s are 14. Like this we cannot multiply because this is in square root, this is not. Here we can multiply because both are in square root itself. So you can multiply. 5 7s are 35. So 35. Can we do further verification? No. See, to do the verification, the square root should be, when you want to add, the square root should be same. Here root 5, here root 7, here root 35. So here this ends here. Next, second question. 5 root 5 into 5 minus root 5. See, this and this same, this and this same. So which identity? I have told you one identity. See, only for the second part square root, first part no square root. So let me check where it is. Only second part square root. See, only the second number is square root. This and this is same. Here also this and this same. This and this same. So answer should be in a square minus b. So what is a here? A is 5, right? So 5 square minus b. B is what? So b is 5. Next, 5 square is what? Square means you are multiplying 2 times 5. 5 5s are 25. So this will be 25 minus 5. So 25 minus 5 is 20. Next question, root 11 minus root 7 into root 11 plus root 7. See, this and this same, this and this same. Only the difference is the signs are changed, plus and minus. So we have one identity. Which is that identity? See this identity, right? This and this same, this and this same. Only the signs are changed, plus and minus. So what should be the answer? A minus b. So what will be a here? 11 is a and b is 7. So 11 minus 7, 4. Next question, add 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3. We first will write this 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3. Okay, one term, bracket, add, no, so put the addition symbol. Root 2 minus 3 root 3. Now when you want to add, you have to see the same square roots. We cannot add this because different square root. Root 2 and root 3 cannot add. Okay, so while you are adding, you should have the same square roots. So we'll combine square roots together, same square roots together, and write 2 root 2 plus root 2, 2 root 2 plus root 2. Next, plus 5 root 3. Next root 3 is here, but this sign is minus. Here plus minus minus. So 3 root 3. So what will be the answer? 2 and here nothing is there, means it is understood 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 root, this we cannot add, we should write 2 only. Only they are constant numbers. Square roots nearest outside one number will be there, no constant number. That you have to add. Not this we cannot add. Root 2 plus root 2, root 4. Like that we cannot do. You have to write root 2 itself. Only the numbers you have to add. 3 root 2 plus. Next, 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. Then root 3. So answer will be 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Now this we cannot add because roots are different, root 2 and root 3. So we'll stop here. The answer is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Now take down some homework questions. Simplify. Root 3 plus root 7 whole square. Root 3 plus root 6 into root 3 minus root 6. 6 plus root 5 into 6 minus root 5. This you have to see. Check with this identities. Using identity you have to solve this. Next, multiply 6 root 5 by 2 root 5. You have to multiply. Nothing is there. You have to multiply 6 root 5 and 2 root 5. You can write this as 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. So you can multiply the square roots also. So solve these homeworks in your homework book. Thank you.